Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Going to start with your class today.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. We're going to study about the benefits of light from the sun. So please open your book to 193. 193. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, so let's
Ready.
begin. All right. So the sun is a big star.
Teacher
Okay,
page.
sun is 193. 193.
Okay.
All right. Let's begin.
Yes.
Okay, the sun is a big star. Okay, the sun is just a big star and it is important to Earth. It is the biggest energy source for all of life on Earth. We get energy from the sun. Okay, we can use it for making electrical energy, or even the sunlight gives energy to people. We get vitamin D from it. And also, we use it for the plants. The plants use sun for photosynthesis or for making food. The sun gives
Teacher,
out heat 193.
Thank you.
You're welcome. The sun gives out heat and light. So the sun doesn't just give light, but it also gives heat. All living things on Earth use heat and light.
Pet.
193 in many ways as follows. Okay, so here are the benefits of light from the sun. The first thing, it makes us have day and night. Because of sun, we can have the time for doing things, for doing the work. And we also have the time for resting, which is the night. The daytime is usually used for time for work, time for school, time for doing things. But the night time are used for resting. Okay? So with the sun, we will have day and night. Next thing, sunlight is used to make electricity. Solar cells change light energy into electricity. So sunlight is also used to make electricity. So we can use solar cells or solar panel and change light energy or convert light energy into electrical energy or electricity. So the first one, it helps us to have day and night. The second one, it helps us to have electricity. And number three is plants use sunlight to make their own food. They keep this food in every part of their body to make them grow. And also, plants are food for humans and animals. So, humans still benefit from the sun. In what way? Okay? Because of the plants. Okay? We eat plants, right? And plants make food using the sunlight through the process of photosynthesis. And also, sunlight helps humans and animals to see things during the day. All right, it also gives light to the humans. Because of sunlight, we can see things. Okay, you can see the trees, the flowers, the ground. You can see basically everything when most of the things because of the sunlight in the morning. Okay, next thing is the benefits of heat from the sun. So the first thing is the light from the sun. Now we're going to move on to the heat from the sun. But before we go deeper to heat from the sun, let's review first, okay, the benefits of light from the sun. Light, okay, first thing, day and night. Okay, can you say day and night? Oh, you may repeat after me that this will serve as a review. Okay, say day and night. That's number one benefit of light from the sun, okay? Number two, electricity.
Electricity.
Very good. Number three is food of plants. Number three, food of plants.
Food of plants.
Very good. Number four is to see things.
Sitting.
Okay. All right. Those are the benefits of light from the sun. It makes us have day and night. It's used for electricity. We can food for plants and then see things. Okay. Those are the benefits of light from the sun. The next thing that we're going to study are the benefits of heat. Heat from the sun. Okay, heat means high temperature. Okay, when you say heat, that is the high temperature from the sun. Okay, it's hot. Okay, hot. All right, let's continue. Places on Earth. Wow, Rain is wearing yellow. Hi, Rain. Okay, places on Earth that get more sunlight are warmer. Places that get less sunlight are colder. Because we are close the equator, in this place, Thailand is also hot place. Okay? There's also a lot of hot places in Thailand because of the position or location of Thailand. It is close to the equator. Places on Earth that get more sunlight are warmer. Places that get less sunlight are cooler. Because of sun, okay, the places vary temperature from place to place. Heat from the sun makes the wind and water cycle to happen. This helps us to have water to use. So because of the sun, okay, it absorbs the water and it becomes cloud, or it goes to the cloud, and the clouds, when it's raining, it's going down. Okay, so that is called the water cycle. Heat from the sun helps in keeping food safe. We take care of some foods by drying them. Example, even the dried beef, dried fish, and dried shrimp. Because of sun, it will help the food to keep safe. Alright? Because it helps to dehydrate the food. Page 194. 194. Alright. Light from the sun helps us to see things during the day. Also, it has ultraviolet radiation. UV radiation can lower sickness by killing microbes in the air, on objects, and on the ground. Okay, because of the ultraviolet radiation, the microbes are like germs. Okay, they are microorganisms. Okay, that floats in the air. Okay, it can also be seen using microscope in the objects, and because of the sun, they are killed. Okay, that means that when we touch things that are under the sun for a long time, the microbes will be gone already. All right. UV radiation can kill microbes on clothes, bed sheet, and containers left in the sun. That is why we are using the sun when we are hanging our clothes. Because with the natural UV radiation from the sun, the dirt, the microbes on clothes, bed sheets, and containers will be cleansed. Okay? Also, opening the windows to let in sunlight into the house will kill the microbes in the house. Okay, it will also help to clean or to kill the microbes in the house when we open the window when there's sunlight. Okay? So it's good to open the window during the daytime. Alright?
Wait.
Okay, wait a minute.
Wait.
Wait a minute. Page.
Okay.
Okay, 190. So how is the sun used in the picture? In picture number 1, the sun is used in drying fish. The sun is used in drying fish. Dried fish can be kept 190.
Okay, correct. No, no,
Ready?
Eight.
190.
Oh, good night.
Ready? Okay. So how is the sun used in each picture? In picture number 1, the sun is used in drying fish. So what happens when we dry fish? Okay, dried fish can be kept for a long time. So that is called preservation. We preserve the fish using the sun so that we can use it for a long time. Okay? Dried fish. Number 2, solar cells change solar energy into electricity. Okay? Because of solar cells, we can convert the solar energy into electricity with the silicon and other parts of the solar cells or solar panel. Number 3, plants use sunlight to make their own food through photosynthesis.
Teacher, please.
190.
118.
119.
ได้ยิน 18. Finish.
Okay, let's wait for the others.
Teacher, no finish.
Finish. Finish. Finish. Kapun no finish.
Okay, let's wait for your friends who are not
No
finished
finish.
yet.
Finish. Kapun finish. Kapan finish.
Is everybody finished?
No
No finish.
Let's wait for your friends. Is everybody finished?
No finish.
Okay, take your time.
Finish, teacher.
Is everybody finished?
Finish.
Finish.
Finish. Finish. Finish. Teacher, no finish. เขียนแล้ว เขียนแล้ว เขียนแล้วเพจ191 Thank you
191.
เลยอุ่นข้างๆกันเลย เจอแล้วขอบคุณ
Finish. Oh, 191. No finish.
Okay. Rimiami,
เขียนกันแล้วที่เธอแลนด์เด็ก
191.
191.
สองท่านอยู่ไหนปูนปั้นปิดไหมโอ้ดินสอร้อนมาก
Finish?
No Finish Finish
Alright, let's wait for the others. Is everybody finished?
No Finish Finish
Okay, take your
No
time.
finish.
N E L E L E S S I
ปิดไมค์ด้วย
พูดเข้าไปปิดไมค์
Finish.
Finish.
Alright, so if you're finished, let's go to the next part. Is everybody finished?
No. No finish.
Okay, let's wait for some of your friends.
Finish, teacher.
Good job. Is everybody finished?
No.
Okay. Faster.
Finish, teacher.
Is everybody finished?
Finish.
Okay, let's go to the next part. Okay, so if we're going to observe the wetness of handkerchiefs, okay, according to our activity, since we're not going to do the actual activity, we're just going to have our hypothesis about it. So before drying, it was wet, of course, with water dripping from it. After 30 minutes, it was dry with no wetness on it. So that is the one in the sun. But what happens in the handkerchief in the classroom? Before drying, it was wet with water dripping from it. And after 30 minutes, it was still wet, but no water dripping from it. Okay, so the difference is that the handkerchief under the sun is totally dry, but the one in the classroom is still wet, but there's no water dripping. So this, for the conclusion, the sun is important and useful to living things as follows. Number one, humans use the heat from the sun to dry their clothes. Number two, plants use sunlight to make their own food. Number three, animals use the heat from the sun to keep themselves warm. Number four, sunlight helps humans to see. And number five, the heat from the sun keeps the water cycle going. So those are the benefits of sunlight to the people or to the world. So they're basically the importance of sun to the living things.
Finish.
Okay, so that's it.
No,
So
finish.
it's okay if you're not finished yet. The homework will be
ไม่เป็นไรก๊อปหน้านี้ไว้ก่อนก๊อปไปก่อน
yes, okay. 190 and 191.
โอเค
190 and 191. Okay? This one next week.
เอา
Or
แก้มมาช่วย
or
ที่เชื่อด้านล่างยังไม่เสร็จ no finish.
it's okay. You're going to answer 190 and 191 only.
no finish. ที่เชื่อซ้ำอีกอัพนั่นนี่ยังไม่เสร็จ
It's okay. 190 and 191 only. So today we had the written activities and we learned about the benefits of sunlight to the living things. So I hope that you learned something from teacher Lynn today.
92เอาบายบายทีเชอร์
190 and 191.
ไม่เป็นไรเราทำเผื่อไปก่อน
Okay. I hope that you learned something from teacher Lynn today and I also hope that you enjoyed this class. Bye.
จังหวะนี้แหละทำได้ โอ้ยนี่บายทีเชอร์ภาพปรากฏสักทีว่าตับโหลดนานโหลดนานนี่ไอมาแล้วโฟนัมเบอร์โฟอะไรอ่ะ S U N L I E L H E L P S human H U M A N I M E ชูรีเดี๋ยวออกจากห้องก่อนบ๊ายบาย